Bird flu H5N1 is currently rising in the US. The virus primarily affects birds but can infect humans. Transmission to humans usually occurs through contact with infected birds. Symptoms in humans are similar to severe flu and require medical attention. Recent outbreaks have raised concerns among health officials. Efforts are underway to monitor and control the virus spread. The CDC provides updates on bird flu cases and precautions. Visit www.cdc.gov/flu for more information about H5N1, who also offers guidance on managing bird flu outbreaks. Check www.who.int for global health information on the issue. Scientists continue to research H5N1 to understand its behavior better. Vaccinations are in development to protect against bird flu strains. Awareness and preventive measures can reduce the risk of infection. Always handle birds and poultry with care to minimize contact. Wear masks if in direct contact with potential infection sources. Please like and subscribe for more health updates and information.